So now I want to do the bottom of page 61. So let's go, Sergio. Can you give me some data for the bottom of page 61? So you said it's going to be 40 and 83. What else? 50 and 92. So this one I'm going to solve by point slope form. Does anyone know the formula for point slope form? What you got?
I equal y minus y1
Mm-hmm.
and parentheses x minus x1.
Perfect. Have that written down. So this is point slope form. First one was slope intercept form. Now we're going to solve it by point slope form. So what's the first thing we have to find though? What do we find first? Yes, usually we find the slope first. So now to find the slope, let's go again. I'm gonna just stay with who was that? Sergio I called just now? Yeah, Sergio. So Sergio, can you tell me what is the formula that I need to find the slope of this line? What's the formula? Excellent. Change in y over change in x. So now give me the values I need to plug them in. So what am I going to substitute right now? $92 minus 83 over 50 minus 40. Perfect. So now what is 92 minus 83? What's 50 minus 40? 10. So now we have found the value of how steep our line is going to be. So now next part, we have to go ahead and substitute in our values that we already have into our point slope formula. So I'm going to write the formula again. So write it again. And now let's roll with Lillian Franco. Who's that? Lillian Franco. Thank you. So now can you tell me what I have to substitute in here to start deriving my equation? Perfect. So now give me those values. So y minus, so 83 equals 9 over 10. Excellent. Yes, that works. So now, Franco, what's next? What do I do next? Okay, so when I do that, when I distribute my slope to both of my terms inside the parentheses, what will I have next? 9 over 10x. Yes, so but just do this. What's 9 times 40? 360 over 10. So now what's 360 divided by 10, Franco? 36. Franco, last part. What do I do now? Oh, I have two. Sorry about that. I know I had two equal signs. My apology. How? Yes. So what do I do? Yes. Inverse operation. Add 83 to both sides. So y minus 83 plus 83 equals 9 over 10x minus 36 plus 83. So the way I'm writing this out here, you want to start adopting this. Just trust me on it, because as we move towards more complicated things into this semester and second semester, you're going to want to have it all laid out in one horizontal line and not in a vertical fashion. So now we have y equals 9 over 10x. And Franco, what's negative 36 plus 83? Or 83 minus 36? You said 27? 47. Plus, do you guys agree with this one? Thumbs up if this equation looks like it makes some sense. Only some of them, most of you. Okay, that works. So now, why do we make an equation? So now let's get this last little part out, then we'll go on our break. So an equation is a pattern used to make predictions. Please get this down. So if anybody asks you what is an equation or what are you doing making equations, this is why. We're trying to generate a pattern to make a prediction. I know it's very, very sloppy. It's hard to write on this, but I always read it over and over again. An equation is a pattern used to make predictions. We're doing this so with this project, we can make predictions about what may happen down the line or what has already happened. So an equation is a pattern used to make predictions. This is why people generate and make equations so you can start trying to make predictions. This is what we're trying to do here.